Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to link Google Authenticator to X, formerly known as Twitter. So what you need to do is open up the X mobile application. Make sure that you're already logged into your Google Authenticator. At the top left, you should be finding your account. Simply tap on it and click on Settings and Support at the bottom. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Security and Account Access at the second option. And now click on Security at the first one. You can also click on Connected Accounts, and from here you can just disconnect this Google. Click on Security and now click on two-factor authentication. As you can see, this interface will appear. Now what you need to do is, the second option is authentication app. Just simply turn it on. Once you toggle it on, it's gonna ask you to provide an app that you want to use as an authenticator. You should select the Google Authenticator app, and that is how you can easily link or connect your Google Authenticator app to your X, formerly known as Twitter. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.